This is the Paper Pumpkins craft. To start out, you'll take the template and you'll cut out each of the pieces from the template. There is a large, medium, and small piece. Once you have all of those pieces cut out, then you will trace them onto the paper. You can choose which color you want for which size. I did the large and the medium on the craft paper and then did the small on the cream. So then you'll just trace those onto the paper and then cut them out. You need 4 strips of each size. Okay, so once you have those cut out, you'll take your glue stick and you'll put a blob of glue in the middle of one of the strips, and then you'll lay another one across it horizontally and glue it down. Then put some more glue in the middle and glue the next strip diagonally, and then take the glue and do another strip diagonally. Then you'll take your hole punch and punch a hole at the end of each of those strips. You just want to make sure that you punch it far enough in that you're not so close to the edge so you don't rip the paper. And then you'll just repeat the same process with all 3 of the sizes for the pumpkins. Then you'll take your pipe cleaner and fold it in half and twist it so that there's a little loop at the end, and then you'll take the bottom strip and fold it up and match it up with the one across from it and thread the pipe cleaner through it from the bottom up. And then you'll just thread all of those up through the holes until they all meet up, and you'll do it with the strips that are across from each other. And pull the little piece up that is the loop, and that will be the stem of the pumpkin, and then you'll just twist the pipe cleaner around and then twist it around your finger to make it curly. And then you kind of just smash the pumpkin down in the middle, shape it how you want it, and then you're done.